In this video, we will walk you through how to remove the headliner from a 2017 Rolls-Royce Wraith. We're removing the headliner to install starlights into it, as you can see in the video. And you can check out more of our work on Instagram at Starlit_HTX. So that's StarLIT_HTX. So let's get into it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, we're taking apart the interior of a 2017 Rolls-Royce Wraith. You have this airbag cover. Go ahead and small pry tool. I'm using a flathead. Just pop that off. From there you have a Torx bit, a T20. The Torx bit, it's pretty long, it's right here. And once you do that, you can start wiggling the pillar.
Yeah. Clips on the back.
There, right? Kind of see how the clips work right here in the frame. So they're clipped right here into this pillar. You just have to pull that out, and then there's a little opening to where when you slide it towards the side, it'll be free.
So you just keep pulling at the pillar. Yeah, just keep pulling at the pillar. Every time you hear a clip pop out, work your way down, and then once all the clips are out, you could just slide it forward and it should come loose. That's the general concept of it, but when you're working on it, you'll see how tight it is, and you saw how tight it is now in the video.
So after you slide the pillar off from its clips, you can go ahead and open up this cold hanger. You get a T20. There's a T20 screw right there. This comes out straight like butter. So for this A-pillar, you just kind of just like pull it towards you. There's a T20 up there in the drill. And once you pull it out in the front, there's going to be a screw like we mentioned earlier with that red tag. So you just free. Get a pry tool. Pry this cap down. Take that Phillips bit. Move it. And for the visor, cap, pry up the cap, slide the cap off. And there you have 4 Phillips bit, 3 Phillips bit screwdrivers. Visor's free. Okay, to expose the screws that hold the handlebars in, you pull the bar down, get a pry tool, get in between there, and just pop it off. Should be the same T20. Open down the whole thing. I try to keep the assembly together if you can. Just makes it easier when you put it back Yep, that's it. So you get a long Torx T15. Put it up there and go ahead and unscrew the screws that are holding. Put the eye up. I'm just gonna start freaking out if we don't put all this what's on. Okay, last part of the headliner, you go with that T20. These two screws hold up the headliner.
It's just really tough clips. So this is how it looks like when it's free. You just have to pull the clips around the sunroof, and then there's clips in the back. So we got a video of us pulling down the clips around the sunroof, and then you just got to go in the back and pull the clips back there, and then it'll be good. Now we're going to show you how to remove the wires. This is a speaker wire. You just pry up on this tab right here. And the lights.
Alright, for the back wires, you just go ahead and pull it out. Pull that one out. You can go ahead straight pull that one out. That's it. Headliner's free.
Alright, we rolled all the windows down. And the headliner should just come right out. We got scammed. It was being taken out the other side. It'll literally come just right out. It's as easy as it gets.